Natural remedies for toothache. Who, at least once in their life, hasn't found themselves suffering from a sudden toothache? Most of the time, the pain comes in the most unexpected moment, and this does not allow you to go to the dentist immediately to resolve the situation. Fortunately, some natural remedies can ease the pain, pending more drastic interventions. If necessary, try to practice some of them to relieve pain as soon as possible. Here are our 10 tips on this. We look forward to your Number 1. Garlic. It is probably the most popular grandmother's remedy in case you have a sore tooth due to caries. While waiting to go to the dentist, it's usually recommended to chop a clove of garlic and apply it as long as possible on the painful part, so that it can play its own anesthetizing effect. Number 2. Onion. As with garlic, onion is traditionally considered much more than a simple food, but as a real natural medicine. If you suffer from toothache or gum inflammation, it's suggested to chew raw onion slices, a practice that would make the pain more bearable. Number 3. Cloves. In case of toothache, cloves are an effective natural pain reliever and disinfectant. They are also a suitable remedy for those who find themselves suffering from abscesses or other oral inflammations. With cloves, it is possible to prepare an infusion to be used as mouthwash for rinsing. Clove essential oil can instead be applied directly to the painful part, while cloves can be chewed for pain relief. Number 4. Mule. Another natural remedy useful in case of toothache comes from mallow, both from its flowers and from its leaves, which can be used for the creation of compresses to be applied on any abscesses or for the preparation of infusion to be used lukewarm for rinsing calming. Number 5. Cabbage leaves. Another remedy considered effective in case the toothache is caused by the presence of an abscess consists of preparing small compresses with boiled cabbage leaves to be wrapped in a gauze or to be applied on the tip of a cotton swab in order to reach more easily the painful part. Devil's Claw. The devil's claw is used for the realization of herbal remedies in drugs to be used in case of toothache. The scientific name attributed to the devil's claw is Harpagophytum procumbens. The devil's claw is also called Harpagophytum. The herbal remedy must be taken after meals and diluted in water following the most suitable indication for your case. Number 7. Black flowers. Black flowers can be helpful in helping you to alleviate those ailments that often accompany toothache, such as headaches, neck or cervical tension, and mandibular pain. Among the black flowers that are usually recommended in case of toothache are impatiens and crebeco. Number 8. Chamomile. The dried chamomile flower heads can also be used in case of toothache for the preparation of the well-known infusion, which can be used both as drink to try to calm the situation of pain and tension, both as mouthwash and as a remedy for applying on the tooth with the help of a cotton swab. Number 9. Vanilla. In order to implement this remedy, considered immediately effective against toothache, it will be necessary to obtain a bottle of natural liquid vanilla extract to be applied in drops directly on the sore tooth. Its positive effects should not be long in coming. Number 10. Peppermint. Dried peppermint leaves can be used for the preparation of a soothing infusion. The recommended amount is 5 grams per each glass of water. The infusion can be used for rinsing as if it were a mouthwash or for gangling. It can also be drunk because of its calming effects. It is also suggested to add a pinch of salt to enhance its disinfectant effect. Thank you for watching.